First we have to discuss this problem. In the network shown in figure A, this is figure A, this is figure B. Okay. In the network shown in figure A, P and Q are two practical, to underline this word, practical voltage sources. This P and Q are two practical voltage sources whose VI characteristics are plotted in figure B. So, determine the power absorbed by 2 ohm resistance branch. See, provided power absorbed means what? Plus minus, right? First we have to calculate with respect to P. Let us solve this problem. Solution. So, first I would like to consider the graph P. Consider P. Okay. Consider P. First we have to take 4, 0. Okay. 4, 0, which is equals to what? What is this 4? Which is nothing but representation of voltage. What is this 0? This is the representation of current now, because V on x axis, I on y axis. So, V is equals to 4 volts, I is equals to what? 0 amps. I is equals to 0 amps means what? Open circuited. Therefore, the circuit becomes what? Plus minus. This is given practical voltage source. Therefore, open circuited. So, this is RS, this is what? VP. Okay. Source P, VP. Okay. The current is 0 here, voltage is 4. So, from this VP is equals to what? 4 volts. The same voltage should be appears across this, right. So, VP is equals to 4 volts, that is it. From this VP is equals to 4 volts, right. Next, if we consider for the same graph on y axis, we have 0, 4. We have 0, 4. Therefore, what is this 0? Which is nothing but voltage value. V is equals to 0 volts, I is equals to what? 4 amps. If it is 0 means what? Short circuited. Okay. Therefore, the circuit becomes plus minus. We have internal resistance, this is short circuited. So, this is RS, this is what? VP, which is equals to 4 volts, which is equals to 4 volts, right. 4. We do not have RS, but here the current is what? 4 amps of current, 4 amps of current, no. So, from this RS is what? VP by I, which is equals to 4 by 4, which is equals to 1 ohm. So, from this we have RS is equals to 1 ohm, clear. So, with respect to P graph, we are getting VP 4 volts and internal resistance 1 ohm, okay, 4 volts and 1 ohm. Next, we have to consider Q. If we consider Q, what is this? What is this 2, 0? This is 0, 6. 2, 0. 2, 0 means what? V is equals to 2 volts, I is equals to 0 amps, that is open circuited. Therefore, the circuit becomes, so this is RS, this is 2 volts, right. This is 2 volts, obviously this is also 2 volts, which is equals to VQ. Okay. So, from this VQ is equals to 2 volts, simple. Next, consider 0, 6. Next, we have 0, 6. Therefore, this 0 is what? Voltage, this 6 is what? Current. This 0 is what? Voltage. 6 is nothing but 6 is present on y axis is nothing but current. So, 6 amps. So, here it is nothing but short circuited. So, plus minus short circuited, this is nothing but 6 amps, this is RS, this is VQ, VQ is nothing but what? 2. So, from this RS, it is better to write RSP, okay, internal resistance of P, this is RXQ, this is Q, this is P, okay. 2 by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 3 ohm. So, from this RXQ is nothing but 1 by 3 ohm. So, we got P, Vp, Vq and their internal resistances. Therefore, the circuit becomes internal resistance plus minus given resistance is nothing but like this. What is the value of resistance? 2 ohm. This is what Vp, that is 4 volts. What is the value of internal resistance? 1 ohm. This is 1 by 3. What is this Vq? 2 volts. Okay. This is plus, this is minus. What is the value of the current here? Simple, apply KVL, we are getting the current. That is minus 2 plus I by 3 plus 4, sorry, minus 4 plus I plus 2 into I is equals to 0. From this I is equals to what? 3I plus I by 3 minus which is equals to 6. So, 9I plus I by 3 which is equals to 18. Okay. Finally, from this 10I is equals to 18, we got I is equals to what? 18 by 10, that is equals to 1.8 amps. So, the current is 1.8 amps from this circuit. Simple, apply KVL. Okay. Minus 2 plus I into 1 by 3 minus 4 plus I into 1 plus 2 into I. So, from this 3I plus I by 3 minus 2 minus 6 which is equals to plus 6. So, 9I plus I which is equals to 18. From this I is equals to 1.8 amps. So, what is the required, that is power absorbed by 2 ohm branch. So, simple, power absorbed by 2 ohm branch is nothing but power absorbed by 2 ohm branch P2I is equals to I square R, that is 1.8 square into 2. 1.8 square into 2. What is the answer? That is answer is 6.48 watts. 6.48 watts. This is the power absorbed by that resistive element. So, first you have to consider the voltage source, that is the consider P curve. Then with respect to x axis coordinate, y axis coordinate, we have to calculate the voltage and the internal resistance. Same like in case of Q. First consider 2 0, we have to calculate the voltage. Consider y axis coordinate, we have to calculate the resistive internal resistance branch. Then the modified circuit is like this. Finally, we have to calculate the power absorbed by this element. Now, we have to discuss this problem. VI characteristics of figure A is given in figure B. Okay. From this, we have to calculate the current through this 10 ohm branch, that is it. So, we all know that. So, based upon the first problem, we have to solve this problem. So, first you have to consider this 0, 4. Consider minus 40. 0, minus 40. What is this 0 value here? Current. What is this minus 40? Voltage. So, I is equals to 0 amps, V is equals to minus 40 volts, right? V is equals to minus 40. If current is 0, means what? open circuited, right? Therefore, the circuit is like this. So, we have RS, we have what? Vs. There is no current, that is current is equal to 0. At that case, what is the value of voltage? Minus 40, which is equals to Vs is equals to minus 40 volts. That is it. Same like in case of first problem, there is no confusion at all. Next, consider what is that point? Minus 5 comma 0. From this, what is this phi? Current, no? I is equals to minus 5 amps, V is equals to 0 volts. 0 volts means what? Short circuited, right? Therefore, the circuit becomes, this is short circuited, the current through this branch is nothing but 5 amps, okay? And this is RS, this is, what is V0, what is this Vs? That is minus 40 volts, okay? Minus 5, sorry. So, from this RS is what? Minus 40 by minus 5, which is equals to what? 8 ohms. So, RS is equals to 8 ohms. RS is equals to 8 ohms. Then we have to calculate the current through this branch. Therefore, the circuit becomes what? So, the given this is Vs, no? What is the value of Vs? Minus 40, and we have calculated Rs, which is equal to 8 ohms, and what is this? 10 ohm branch, right? We have to calculate the current through this branch, that is it. So, I is equals to what? Minus 40 by 8 plus 10, simple. I is equals to minus 40 by 8 plus 10, minus 40 by 18 minus 20 by 9 amps. So, this is the current through this branch. We are getting negative current, no problem, just to see the magnitude. So, negative current minus 20 by 9 is nothing but what? That is the given direction. So, the actual current direction is nothing but like this, that is the meaning, okay. See the magnitude. If we got a negative sign, right, means just actual current direction is like this is nothing but actual, okay. There is no confusion at all.